Imagine a metal island rising from the ocean depths. It hums with activity, a symphony of clanging metal, roaring engines, and shouting voices. This is no ordinary island, it's an offshore oil rig, a self-contained world where men and women work tirelessly to extract a vital resource from the Earth's belly. Life on a rig is a unique experience, a blend of grit and determination, camaraderie and isolation. It's a world apart, governed by the rhythms of the sea and the demands of a relentless industry. The rig is a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity. Its towering structure supports a complex network of pipes, valves and machinery, all designed to extract oil and gas from the seabed. The air is thick with the smell of diesel and salt spray. The constant motion of the ocean creates a sense of instability, a reminder that nature is always in control. Yet, amidst the harsh conditions, a sense of purpose prevails. The men and women who work on these rigs are a special breed drawn to the challenges and rewards of this demanding profession. They come from all walks of life, united by their willingness to endure long hours and tough conditions in pursuit of a common goal. They are the roughnecks, the drillers, the engineers, the cooks and the cleaners, each playing a vital role in keeping the rig operational. Their lives are governed by strict routines and safety protocols, a necessity in an environment where a single mistake can have catastrophic consequences. They live and work in close quarters, their days and nights punctuated by the sounds of machinery and the ever-present presence of the sea. This is the world of the offshore oil rig, a world of metal and mud, sweat and seawater. It's a world of challenges and triumphs, of camaraderie and solitude. It's a world that few experience, but one that plays a vital role in powering our modern world. It's a world that deserves to be understood, its stories told, its realities appreciated. Life on an offshore oil rig is a world away from the daily routine of life on land. It's a world of 12-hour shifts, rotating schedules, and weeks spent away from family and friends. Workers typically spend 2 weeks on the rig, followed by 2 weeks on shore, a cycle that dictates the rhythm of their lives. Days and nights melt into each other, marked only by the changing of the watch and the constant hum of machinery. The living quarters are Spartan but functional. Workers share small cabins, each equipped with bunk beds, a small desk and a closet. Meals are served in a communal mess hall, offering a brief respite from the demands of the job and a chance to socialize with fellow workers. Leisure time is limited, but workers find ways to unwind, watching movies, playing cards, or working out in the onboard gym. The isolation can be challenging, but it also fosters a strong sense of camaraderie among the crew. They rely on each other for support, forming bonds that extend beyond the workplace. The harsh conditions and demanding work schedules take a toll on the body and mind. Workers battle fatigue, seasickness, and the psychological strain of prolonged isolation. The ever-present danger of accidents adds to the mental burden. Yet despite the challenges, many find a sense of purpose and satisfaction in their work. They are part of a team, contributing to a vital industry that powers the world. The rig becomes their home, a place of shared experiences and enduring bonds. Offshore oil rigs are industrial behemoths, a complex network of machinery designed for a single purpose, extracting oil and gas from the depths of the ocean floor. The work is demanding, requiring both physical strength and mental acuity. Each worker plays a specific role, their tasks interconnected in a delicate dance of precision and power. Roughnecks, the backbone of the operation, handle the heavy lifting, connecting pipes, operating machinery, and ensuring the smooth flow of drilling operations. They work long hours exposed to the elements, their bodies battered by the constant motion of the rig. Drillers with their steady hands and expert knowledge control the drilling process, guiding the drill bit thousands of feet below the seabed. They monitor pressure gauges, analyze rock samples, and make critical decisions that determine the success of the operation. Engineers, the problem solvers of the rig, oversee the technical aspects of the operation, ensuring the safe and efficient functioning of the machinery. They troubleshoot problems, implement safety protocols, and constantly monitor the rig's systems. They are the guardians of the operation, their expertise ensuring the safety of the crew and the success of the mission. The work is a constant battle against the elements, a test of human ingenuity against the unforgiving forces of nature. Safety is paramount on an offshore oil rig. The unforgiving environment, the volatile nature of the work, and the sheer scale of the operation demand meticulous attention to safety protocols. Every worker undergoes rigorous safety training, learning to identify potential hazards, respond to emergencies, and operate equipment with the utmost care. Safety drills are a regular occurrence, simulating various scenarios from fires and explosions to medical emergencies and evacuations. Workers are trained to don survival suits, operate lifeboats, and administer first aid. The rig is equipped with advanced fire suppression systems, alarm systems, and evacuation routes, all designed to minimize risk and protect the crew. The ever-present threat of a blowout, a sudden uncontrolled release of oil and gas, looms large in the minds of every worker. Blowout preventers, massive valves designed to seal the wellbore, are constantly tested and maintained. The memory of past disasters, like the Deepwater Horizon explosion, serves as a stark reminder of the importance of vigilance and the potential consequences of complacency. Technology plays a crucial role in modern offshore oil rigs, enhancing safety, efficiency, and environmental protection. Advanced sensors and monitoring systems provide real-time data on drilling operations, allowing engineers to make informed decisions and detect potential problems before they escalate. Remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, equipped with cameras and robotic arms, perform underwater tasks, reducing the need for human divers in hazardous environments. Dynamic positioning systems use GPS and computer-controlled thrusters to keep the rig precisely positioned over the wellhead. Even in rough seas, this technology ensures the accuracy of drilling operations and minimizes the risk of accidents. Advanced drilling fluids, designed to lubricate the drill bit, control pressure, and stabilize the wellbore, improve drilling efficiency and reduce environmental impact. The constant evolution of technology is transforming the offshore oil industry, making it safer, cleaner, and more efficient. As technology advances, the industry continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, exploring deeper waters and more challenging environments in its relentless pursuit of energy resources. Life on an offshore oil rig takes a toll on the human body and mind. The long hours, demanding work, and harsh conditions push workers to their limits. Physical injuries are common, from back strains and hand injuries to more serious accidents. The constant exposure to noise, vibration, and harsh chemicals can lead to long-term health problems. The isolation and monotony of rig life can also take a psychological toll. Workers battle loneliness, boredom, and the stress of being away from loved ones for extended periods. The ever-present danger of accidents adds to the mental burden, creating a constant undercurrent of anxiety. Despite the challenges, many oil rig workers exhibit remarkable resilience. They adapt to the demanding lifestyle, finding ways to cope with the isolation and stress. They develop strong bonds with their fellow workers, sharing a sense of camaraderie that helps them endure the hardships. Offshore oil drilling is an inherently risky endeavor, carrying the potential for environmental damage. Oil spills, like the Deepwater Horizon disaster, can have devastating consequences for marine life and coastal ecosystems. The discharge of drilling fluids and produced water, a byproduct of oil and gas extraction, can pollute the ocean and harm marine organisms. The burning of fossil fuels, including oil extracted from offshore rigs, contributes to climate change, a global threat with far-reaching consequences. The industry faces increasing pressure to reduce its environmental impact, adopting stricter safety protocols, investing in cleaner technologies, and exploring alternative energy sources. Environmental groups advocate for stricter regulations and increased oversight of the offshore oil industry, while scientists work to better understand the long-term impacts of drilling operations on marine ecosystems. The debate over the environmental costs and benefits of offshore drilling is likely to continue as the world grapples with the challenges of meeting its energy needs while protecting the planet. The future of offshore oil drilling is uncertain, shaped by technological advancements, fluctuating oil prices, and growing environmental concerns. The industry is investing heavily in new technologies to improve efficiency, safety, and environmental performance. Advanced drilling techniques, such as extended reach drilling, allow companies to access oil and gas reserves from greater distances, reducing the need for multiple platforms. Robotics and automation are playing an increasing role in offshore drilling, reducing the need for human workers in hazardous environments and improving efficiency. Autonomous underwater vehicles equipped with sensors and imaging technology can map the seabed, inspect pipelines, and monitor environmental conditions. The transition to renewable energy sources poses a challenge to the long-term viability of the offshore oil industry. As governments and businesses invest in solar, wind, and other renewable energy sources, the demand for fossil fuels is expected to decline. The offshore oil industry will need to adapt to this changing energy landscape, investing in new technologies and diversifying its operations to remain competitive. Despite the hardships and risks, many workers are drawn to the unique challenges and rewards of offshore oil rig life. The allure of high wages, the opportunity to travel, and the sense of adventure attracts workers from all walks of life. For some, it's a family tradition, a legacy passed down through generations. For others, it's a chance to escape the mundane, to test their limits, and to be part of something bigger than themselves. The camaraderie among rig workers is legendary, forged in the crucible of shared hardship and mutual dependence. The bonds formed on the rig often transcend the workplace, becoming lifelong friendships. The sense of accomplishment that comes from working in such a demanding environment, of extracting a vital resource from the depths of the earth, is a source of pride for many workers. The offshore oil rig is a microcosm of society, a melting pot of cultures and backgrounds, united by a common purpose. It's a place where hard work is valued, where resilience is tested, and where the human spirit is pushed to its limits. It's a world apart, a world that few experience, but one that plays a vital role in powering our modern world. Offshore oil rigs are islands of steel, testaments to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of energy resources. They are worlds apart, governed by the rhythms of the sea and the demands of a vital industry. Life on a rig is a unique experience, a blend of hardship and camaraderie, risk and reward. The men and women who work on these rigs are a special breed, drawn to the challenges and rewards of this demanding profession. They endure long hours, harsh conditions and prolonged isolation, their lives governed by strict routines and safety protocols. They are the roughnecks, the drillers, the engineers, the cooks and the cleaners, each playing a vital role in keeping the rig operational. The future of offshore oil drilling is uncertain, shaped by technological advancements, fluctuating oil prices, and growing environmental concerns. As the world transitions to renewable energy sources, the industry will need to adapt to remain competitive. Yet the allure of the rig, the challenge, the camaraderie, and the sense of purpose will likely continue to draw workers to this unique and demanding profession for years to come. The offshore oil rig, a symbol of human ingenuity and the enduring quest for energy, stands as a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt, endure and thrive in the face of adversity. It's a world apart, a world that deserves to be understood, its stories told, its realities appreciated.